Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Date.toJSON method. So what it does is it's gonna change the prototype for the date. Well, you can convert into the string representation of a date object. So now what we're gonna do is don't mind that. So yeah, first you need to create an event like this from another video, but that's okay, I guess. So you need to create a date. Then if you want to convert into the JSON, you can do this var JSON date equals to event dot to JSON, and use that function. This is method, I guess. So when I'll log it on a log it on a console, the JSON date, you can see that it is changed into a JSON. So you can easily say that this is a JSON format. So, and it also helps if you making a backend program to send JSON objects to the front end, or you can also make a front end JSON to send by a RESTful API. If you know, I guess, and if you don't know, don't mind that. Just move on. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.